Guys, today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click here on profile, just click on it. So then you come to your profile, it's going to show for you like this here. You go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on notifications, just click on it. You come to next step here. You come to new message, and here can you disable it for email. So then here can you disable it for push notifications. Then like you see now, new message notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all I wish know you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.